Standard 5th Subject EVS Part 1. Lesson number 2, Motions of the Earth. In our previous video, we had studied about imaginary line and axis of rotation. Let us do an experiment to see how the rotation Earth takes place. For this experiment, let's spin a globe and observe the line around which it rotates. But before that, I shall tell you something. Listen to it carefully. If we spin a ball, the ball also rotates around itself, and while rotating around itself, it creates its own axis, but we cannot see its axis. We can only imagine such axis. The earth also rotates like the ball. Therefore, this observation as our base, let us hold a plumb line near the globe to find the axis of the earth. Since the plumb is not available with us, we shall tie a thread around an eraser to prepare a plumb line. We realize that the plumb line and the axis of the earth, these two lines are at an angle with each other, that the axis of the earth is inclined. The earth is always in the stage of inclined axis, that means the earth rotates inclined position. The motion of the earth around itself is known as axial motion. While rotating around itself, the earth also revolves around the sun, which is called revolution of the earth. So, this is the axis of the earth. Let us show this line passes through the center of the earth. The point N and S are the pole of the earth. N is north pole of the earth, while S is the south pole of the earth. If the circle is drawn around the surface of the earth exactly in between, this imaginary line is known as equator. The two equal points created by equator is between the north and the south pole of the earth. North pole of the earth is known as northern and southern hemisphere. Due to earth rotation, we can measure time in terms of days: sunrise, moon, sunset, midnight. These phases of time are possible due to earth rotation. Let us now see what causes these phases. Let us place a candle in the center of the table. Draw a big circle around the candle. Let then place a globe at any point on this circle. Once the candle is lit, we shall switch off all the light to create darkness. Let us assume the candle is the sun. Observe which part of the globe gets the sunlight and which one does not. We realize the earth rotates around itself in the same direction from the west to east. We say that it is a day. The part which receives light is day, and night the part which does not receive light. Now, on this basis of the experiment, we will study how sun rises and sunset in our next video. Thank you.